So behind me is my girlfriend's Audi A3, which I modified a few months ago. I fitted 45mm lowering springs on the front and 30mm on the back. Roof spoiler, gloss black mirror covers, new wheels, and then this happened. The car was parked up outside our house and unfortunately someone managed to drive into it. So insurance wrote the car off with a category S, which is structural damage. And in today's video I'm going to rebuild it. Let me show you the damage. So obviously the bonnet, but the bonnet can be saved. The headlight, which I already took off of the camera. The windscreen, tank. I don't know if you can see it, but that's the wing bracket, which is bent. It holds the wing and the headlight. Obviously the wing needs to be replaced and the bumper. So I'm going to take both wheels off to get the access to the wheel arch, which needs to be replaced as well. So I'm going to take the wheels off on both sides, and put it on a stance, and then I will get access to get the wheel arch off and the wing. Took the both wheels off. The next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the wheel arch and over there is a plastic trim that holds one bolt there and one on the bottom. It's like those little clips you just push in to hold it. So I'm going to take this plastic cover off, and there are 3 bolts that hold. Right, so the plastic trim is out. There is one bolt on the top which holds the wing, obviously from this side, and then 2 bolts from the other sides. I have to take the wheel arch off now to get the access to those 2 bolts. So I took off the wheel arch. Now I can start stripping the rest of it. So obviously there's 3 bolts on this side, 2 bolts on here, and 2 bolts on the top. The wing is off as well. There was actually 1 bolt on the top here and another 2 bolts there, which I didn't expect. And yeah, now I'm going to remove this windscreen washer tank and remove the bumper. Right, so I got the bumper removed, the wing, and the windscreen washer tank, and now I need to get the access to remove this wing bracket. There are two bolts, one in there. I don't know if you can see it. One there and one under this plastic, so I think I have to remove that plastic, and then we'll have the access to the second bolt. Right, so I've managed to take everything off the car that needs to be replaced. Everything just sits there. So yeah, time for the windscreen washer, wing bracket, the wheel arch, the wing, and the bumper. And I've got the new parts already, and new tank, new wheel arch, new bumper which has been resprayed, the wing. I just need to swap the front grille from the old bumper. Got the wing bracket and the new headlights. So I'm going to do next, I'm going to take this grill off, paint it in a gloss black, put it back onto the new bumper, and start putting everything back onto the car. So I've replaced the front grille onto the new bumper. I also painted the wing bracket, which I'm going to fit it on the car now, and the windscreen washer tank. And the next step will be to fit the wing. Alright, so I was about to fit the new wing, but I've noticed the new wing missing these bits. As you can see, there is nothing on that new wing, so I will try to drill these little pieces out, and on this bigger piece as well, and I will try to fit it on the new wing. So I managed to get these two pieces of the old wing, and now I'm going to use the rivet gun, and we'll try to fit it on the new wing. now it's time to put it back onto the car. So the passenger wing is fitted, windscreen washer tank is also fitted, and a new bracket. And now it's time for the headlights. Headlight is fitted. Now it's time to put the lower bracket, fit wheel arch, and then do the bumper last. So the bumper is fitted. I'm just checking that the lights and the fog lights works as well. Everything seems fine. The next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fit the wheel arches back on. We'll see on the driver's side. Fit the new one on the passenger side. Put the wheels back on and take it for a test drive. And the job done. What I have to do, just put S-line badge on the wing, take the car to the paint shop to do the bonnet, and I ordered new fog light grills, and that's it. Have to take the car for the test drive now, make sure everything works. Yeah, so everything done in one day, and that's the finished product. S-line badge back onto the wing. Also put new 4 tires. The bumpy grills are installed as well. The only thing that's left is this bonnet. Apart of that, everything is sorted. And I think even that bumper is not from the S-Line version. It still looks okay. So yeah, please let me know in the comments below what you think. Make sure you hit the like and hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next video.